そうさ悲しみを優しさに自分らしさを力に迷いながらでもいい歩き出してもういいかいもういいかい
Today we are going to review two Japanese food restaurants in Indonesia.
First of all, the strategic marketing in Yoshinoya restaurant.
So are you ready, guys?
Let's come in.
Let's go.
Who doesn't know this Japanese restaurant? The first restaurant, a Japanese-style restaurant that is familiar with Indonesian people. Famous for its domination of the orange, which is very eccentric in the eyes of its customers. This Japanese restaurant was originally founded by Japanese people. Yoshinoya's first restaurant was founded by Eikichi Matsuda in 1899 at the Nihonbashi Fish Market, Shoku, Tokyo. Yoshinoya is a modern take on traditional Japanese rice bowls. In Indonesia, Yoshinoya once opened a restaurant in Jakarta in 1994, but closed in 1998 due to the financial crisis. But Yoshinoya was back in Jakarta in July 2010.
There are 5 strategy marketing used by Yoshinoya. The first one is price. The price set by Yoshinoya for its product is affordable among the middle until high class. Original beef bowl and yakiniku beef bowl range from 50,000 rupiah.
And second one is product. Some food ingredients use imported products from America, Japan, and Singapore. For example, beef is from America.
The third one is promotion. Promotion is conducted in 2 directions, internal and external. For internal marketing activities are held such as monthly promos, birthdays, etc. Whereas for external, use digital and print media for seasonal campaigns.
Okay, and the fourth is Yoshinoya has 3 types of outlets. Each one is standalone, dine-in, and food court. For now, the location is on the island of Java and Bali. In the second quarter of 2019, it will expand on the island of Sumatra. And the last is service. Yoshinoya has a full service concept and has a takeaway and delivery facilities. That's all from our section.
So let's go to the next restaurant.
Hello and good afternoon everyone. My name is Ara and with my friends here,
Zulfikar.
and after we've done reviewing Yoshinoya, now we are going to talk about the marketing of Hoka Bento, or more known for its acronym Hoka. So without further ado, let's get into it.
The second Japanese restaurant is Hoka Bento. Yes, this restaurant is a Japanese restaurant that is very close to the people of Indonesia. 18 April 1985, Hoka was first established under the auspices of PT Eka Boka Indi. Hoka serves Japanese-style food that is diverse, hygienic fast food with affordable prices and convenient comfort. This makes Hoka the largest Japanese fast food restaurant in Indonesia. But strangely, many people didn't know Hoka Bento is an authentic Indonesian restaurant.
When we hear the name Hoka Bento, we might be reminded. We might think, oh, is it a Japanese restaurant? No, it is original from Indonesia, founded in 1985. It was originally using a Japanese custom to take away their meals in form of bento box, but since Indonesian customs are used to eating while sitting, Hoka Bento finally adapting the usual dine-in system that is very much custom in Indonesia at this point. success maintaining its signature dish. The famous menu, salad or Japanese coleslaw, which is almost always on every menu, is a companion to the main dish. Even though Hoka sells Japanese food, it still adjusts the taste of the familiar on Indonesian food. So it is not exaggerated to say if Hoka is known as Indonesian meets Japanese food.
Hoka always releases new menu variation for 2 until 3 times every year. This strategy is used by Hoka to remind the existence of Hoka and to attract customers to come and try. Because in this strategy, the new menu may not be continued and being replaced by other new menus. Not many new menu choices, but it has done many innovations in package menus, while also managed to maintain the familiarity customer perceive about Hoka. For example, the Omiyagi package is one of Hoka's innovations that offer a large package, so it is more practical for customers who are confused about what menu to choose.
A few moments later.